Hey guys, Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a speed boost slash jump boost. So first, you need to insert a part. So just insert a part into workspace.
And then once that part goes in, if it would ever load in, I'll just insert this way. This way will be faster. New part. And then you can
Resize it if you want to. I just don't want to. So you can make it longer if you're doing like another game or something. Then get rid of this. Print hello world. And then do script dot parent dot touched. And then connect. And then function. Open bracket. And then put like part. We're just going to call it the function part. And then move over between the two parentheses and hit enter. So the end has the parenthesis on it. And then you do part dot parent dot humanoid. So because most likely it'll be the arm or leg touching it, you want the parent of that. So the parent of the leg, which is the player, and then dot humanoid, and then dot walk speed if you want people to go faster, except you need to capitalize the S, equals 100. And then part dot parent, if I can spell parent correctly, dot humanoid dot jump power if you are wanting to add a jump boost. And then I'm just going to put it to 100. And if you run this game, it should work. So we'll check that out. Now, as you can see, when I touch this part right here with my leg or my arm, it gives me 100 speed. I'm going faster, and it makes me jump way higher than I normally would. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.